Hey, so here we are back again. This time we're going to have a look at simply how to create a sprint. We've got a brand new project here. As you can see, we're on the active sprint board, but there's no sprint there. So let's make our first sprint. So we go to the backlog, click over on the left-hand side here, go to the backlog. So all we have there is the backlog with a load of tickets in it. We don't have any sprints. There's this little button here, create sprint. If you don't see that button there, you don't have permission on this board or on this project to create sprints. So find out who the project admin is for this project, contact them and ask them to give you the permission to be able to create sprints. So assuming you have this button, you click on that button, create a sprint, and there you go. It's that simple. It will create your sprint for you. So we can edit it over here, these three little buttons, edit the sprint, and it's called Stars Sprint 1. That seems as good as anything. So the start date and end date, you can put them in there, or you can simply leave them blank and use this as a bucket. So for this one, we'll leave it blank for now. You can also put a sprint goal in. We'll leave those blank and just create that. So here's your sprint there, and then you can just pull some tickets in. So let's pull a bunch of tickets in here. Oh, sorry, I didn't show you how to do that. So there's several ways to put them in. You can either click and drag, so you highlight it and simply hold down your mouse button and drag it in, which will put it there. Or you can on a Windows machine, I'm not sure how you do this on a Mac, but on a Windows machine you just right click your mouse on it and move it to Stars Sprint 1, and there you go, that's put it in. Or you can do a bulk move where you just click on the top one, and again on a Windows machine, I don't know what the bulk highlight is on a Mac, but on a Windows machine, hold down the Shift key and left click on the last one, and that will highlight a group of them. And you can do the same, either drag them in or just right click and move them that way. So there's all the tickets in the sprint, and we just click on the Start Sprint button. And here we go. So it'll give us a duration of 2 weeks. By default, you can change this to 1 week, or you can put custom dates. Start date, it will always give you the time that you clicked Start Now, or instead of the duration being 1 week, you can put an end date on. So let's make that tomorrow, because why not? So that's changed that to custom. Duration is custom. Oh, that's not tomorrow, is it? Where's tomorrow? Tomorrow's the 15th. There you go. So it starts today, it ends tomorrow in 24 hours, and we'll put a sprint goal of, I don't know, complete our first tickets. And hopefully you'll have a much better sprint goal than that. And then you click on Start. And there you go. There's your board with your nice new sprint on it, all set up and ready to go. Simple as that.